rain keeps falling on my window pane. Every drop reminds me of yesterday's change. I gave my all, but life took it away. Now I'm standing in the silence, learning to pray. My heart is heavy, my voice is weak, but deep inside I hear it speak. A whisper saying, you're not done. There's still a fight, there's still the sun.